So I ordered some stuff from Amazon the other day. No packaging, no nothing. The original box that it comes in right there in front of my door, where anybody can just come by and steal it. Not good. I ordered some auto parts the other day. I'm coming out the back door, and here's the front of my shop right out here. Well, at least this is an Amazon packaging, and he shoved it behind the trash can where nobody can see it. That's the way it's supposed to be. How many of y'all have Amazon stuff show up at your house that's just thrown on the front porch? I've got a buddy of mine ordered a TV or a tablet or something, and he has video of them standing back like 6 feet and just throwing it. And just electronics can't stand being mishandled like that. But anyway, that's my rant for the night. Have a good day.
Bonus footage at the end.
Cow dog, are you hungry? How come you eat when I get home? Do you not eat during the day? Huh? Why do you wait until I come home from work to eat? I don't understand that. You're making a mess everywhere. Cow dog. Come here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Tell everybody what kind of dog you are. Tell everybody what kind of dog you are. Are you spoiled? Yep. Say, I am half Boston Terrier and half Chihuahua. Say, I'm called a Bochi. And I'm spoiled rotten and I'm almost 7 years old.